How to remove a gray circle from your iPhone or iPad. Let's get started. In this video, I'm gonna guide you guys through the process of removing a gray circle known as Assistive Touch from your iPhone or iPad screen. If you have ever wondered how to get rid of this mysterious feature or simply want to declutter your display, you are in the right place. Launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of accessibility. Here you're going to find different sections. Under physical and motor, you'll find the option of touch. Open that option. Now click on the option of assistive touch. At the very top, you'll see the option of assistive touch. You have to disable for this option. And with that, gray circle will disappear. You can see that gray circle has been disappeared from my screen as well. Well, this way you can easily remove a gray circle from your iPhone or iPad. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.